Hey everyone, it's Timothy with Cars in 4K. I'm here in front of Mercedes, gonna do a update video. So probably in the coming months there should be some exciting stuff to the content on Cars in 4K. And so keep an eye out for the channel, and if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome too. And follow and like, yeah. And also I have my Instagram pages and YouTube, Facebook page, and some other cool stuff on there too. And then also there should be some cool car shows coming up in Cars and Coffees now that the season is about to start up in a little bit. And yeah, some cool content coming along. There should be some surprises to the channel too soon. So keep an eye out for those. And yeah, other than that, everything's been pretty cool with track days. I'm planning out AMG Driving Academy track day, and also just some team drives with some AMGs and stuff, so that should be pretty cool. And then yeah, some meetups, hopefully some reviews of different Mercedes, most likely coming soon. Yeah, and maybe some other type of cars too, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I would suggest following the channel, and you can see what comes along during the next year. So yeah, last year 2017 was awesome, and hopefully 2018 gets much better soon. Not that it's saying it's bad right now, but it's gonna be pretty fun. So yeah, well, I'll take a couple questions if you have some on the comments as well, and on Instagram, wherever you want to send them along. And yeah, keep in touch. Ciao for now.